Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. Excuse my voice. Hopefully I'm not losing it. I think it's just just a little froggy today. But anyway, I have a quick project share for Scrappin4myboys. She had the tree tyke swap. Excuse me. And I just want to show you real quick the products I've used and what I made. I used the Amy Tangerine. Which paper pad is this? Paper pad, that one. Whatever the name of it is. Better Together or something. So I used that lead to break into that paper pad. I used my AliExpress die, tree topper die. A whole bunch of punches. Martha Stewart alphabet punch just to punch the letters on the front of the bag. I used EK Success butterfly, a couple layers from there. It's Martha Stewart butterfly and flower punch, chrysanthemum. Sorry, because I'm rushing. This McGill leaf punch, this Fiskars, got the name of that one, like a doily punch. This Teresa Collins diamond, this Hello bird from EK Success, and another Teresa Collins XOXO. So you'll see them on the project. And then it's this little teeny heart punch for some confetti. And so that's pretty much it in some glue. So, I'll move that out the way. And I put my little label on the back. So this is how it comes. Well, let me show you this first. I made 3 tree toppers. One is, of course, is on top of the bag, which is this one right here. So, and they're double layered. The decorative paper, then 110-pound paper under it. You can see the Hello punch right there, and I just offset it so it gives it a shadow effect. Same thing with the flower. I offset the flower and the leaf, and there's also some gold thread right there. I forgot to mention that, and some gold bling. And also the stamen right here on this flower is an AliExpress from the chrysanthemum die. So that's the first one. That's on the bag. These are the ones that actually are gifting, are these two right here. So all these paper comes from the same paper pad. So this is Hello. Right behind the Hello is a heart, which is the piece that came out of here from one of the coordinating pieces. And then this is the butterfly is layered up. Got some bling right there. That's the bird that I showed in the bird punch and a piece of bling. The Hello is offset with black behind it as well. And hopefully the lighting is not too bad early in the morning. And then here are two, a white punch and the green and white stripe punch. Both of those came from cutting the pieces out right there as well. I got a Hello on this one. I just stacked the Hello. And then here you have the dimensional butterfly as well. With some bling. My blind's open. Hopefully you can see that. So that's that. And then there's a little gift. I made some 3x3s that they can use. And these are layered with 110-pound cardstock inside and out, just to give it some stability, and handmade the cards, the envelopes as well. So that's the dolly punch cut in half. That's a Hello again, offset. Here's a diamond, and the love is offset as well. And then the XOXO, and then I punched out some hearts. So they come like this. This is how the note cards come, and I just punch out like that's the little initial for each one of my swap team. And one, of course, is for Monica, the hostess. That's Lasagna, Ms. Doll's Handmade Creation. The J is for Janice Johnson, and the T is for Ty's Create. And then, and so my YouTube label is on the back right there. And then the tree toppers come packed like this. If you can see that. So both of the toppers in here, and then I also punch out some little whole heart confetti with a heart punch, and then my labels right here on the back of that cardboard piece. So that is how my package will come. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and hopefully they will like everything. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.
Don't let me